everyone, how you doing? It's Dr. Femi here from the Print Heaven. Today I have a very interesting discussion for you guys. We're going to be talking about the importance of end of year gifting for your employees. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, leave a comment down below, and turn on your notification bells. You don't want to miss out on any of the videos we churn out for you. So let's get right to it. The end of year is getting close by. The holiday season is coming up, and it's time to start preparing, if you haven't started already, on choosing gifts and gifts options for your employees and for your customers. But today we're going to focus on our employees. It's very important to give gifts to your employees. There's so many reasons as to why you want to do this, and one of the main reasons is to show appreciation to their dedication and to their hard work throughout the year. They have worked so hard making sure they're attending to your customers and doing whatnot in your company, and you just want to say a thank you to them by carefully selecting the best of the best gifts for them. Another important reason is to boost morale and to motivate your employees. A new year is coming and you're setting your budget, you're setting your targets, you want to make more sales, you want to grow your company. And one way to retain your good people is to boost their morale through gift giving. Another important reason is to strengthen the relationship between you, the employer, and your employees. Sometimes there's a wide gulf between the employer and the employee, and when you give gifts, you're drawing them closer, telling them you care for them, you're concerned about them, telling them you actually took out time to select gifts for them. It's very important because there's subtle messaging in gifting. You don't have to say, but these are the emotions that you elicit when you give them gifts. Another important reason is that there is a sense of loyalty when you give your employees gifts. They feel like they belong, they feel a sense of ownership of the company, and this indirectly or directly leads to improved productivity for your company overall. So you want to put that in mind. Another fun reason is it's the holiday season, it's the end of the year, it's time to relax and look at strategize for the new year coming. So the holiday spirit goes so well, improving the holiday spirit goes so well with gifts given. So you want to remember that you're going to make that holiday season extra special for them because you have given them something. Now, your company. It is important to boost your company culture. You always want to present your company in a positive light, either through your internal customers who are your employees or your external customers who are your clients. So it's very important to boost your company culture. I hope these points have helped you. If you need to take a decision on the gifting options for your employees, we are here at the Print Haven to assist you. Happy holidays! Bye!